Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to translate WhatsApp messages easily on iPhone and Android. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. If you're chatting with someone on WhatsApp and they send you a message in another language, like Spanish, German, or French, there are a couple of simple ways to translate it. The first method uses WhatsApp's built-in translate feature. When you receive a message in another language, simply long press on that message. If the feature is available on your device, you will see a translate option. Tap on it, and the message will be translated instantly. If you don't see the translate option yet, don't worry. This is a new feature that WhatsApp is rolling out gradually. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. If the built-in option is not available on your phone, you can still translate messages using your phone's system translator. Just long press the message, copy it, and paste it into a text field. Then select the entire message, tap on the arrow in the menu options, and choose Translate. Your phone will automatically show the translated text. You can also use the same method when replying. So you can write a message in your language, translate it, and send it back in the other person's language. And that's it. Now you know how to translate WhatsApp messages on both iPhone and Android.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.